Artificial intelligence is no longer just a technology used in smartphones or computers. It is rapidly becoming one of the most powerful tools in modern military strategy. Countries across the world are investing billions into artificial intelligence systems that can analyze data, detect threats, and respond faster than human soldiers. From intelligent drones to cyber warfare programs, AI is transforming how wars are fought and how battles are won. The battlefield of the future may look very different from the wars we have known in the past. Before we uncover how AI is changing warfare forever, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful insights into future technology. 10. Intelligent surveillance systems. Modern warfare depends heavily on information, and artificial intelligence has revolutionized how militaries collect and analyze intelligence. Instead of sending a single large drone into battle, militaries can launch hundreds of small drones that operate together like a swarm. These drones communicate with each other using artificial intelligence to coordinate their movements and strategies. If one drone is destroyed, the others can automatically adjust their formation and continue the mission. Swarm drones can overwhelm traditional defense systems because they attack from multiple directions at the same time. This technology creates a new kind of battlefield, where speed, coordination, and intelligent algorithms play a major role. 7. Artificial intelligence in cyber warfare. Modern conflicts are not limited to physical battlefields anymore. Cyber warfare has become one of the most important aspects of national security. Artificial intelligence can analyze massive amounts of network data to detect hacking attempts and cyber threats in real time. These systems can automatically respond to attacks by blocking malicious activity or isolating infected systems. AI can also be used offensively to identify weaknesses in enemy networks and launch highly sophisticated cyber operations. Because many countries depend on digital infrastructure for communication, banking, and defense, cyber warfare powered by AI can disrupt entire nations without firing a single bullet. 6. Predictive military strategy. Artificial intelligence is also transforming how military strategies are developed. Advanced AI algorithms can simulate thousands of battle scenarios in virtual environments. By analyzing historical conflicts, weather patterns, terrain data, and troop movements, these systems can predict possible outcomes of military operations. Commanders can test different strategies and simulations before implementing them in real situations. This allows leaders to prepare for multiple possibilities and reduce the risk of costly mistakes. AI-driven strategic planning gives militaries a powerful advantage in decision-making. 5. Smarter military logistics. Logistics has always been one of the most challenging parts of warfare. Armies must transport food, fuel, weapons, medical supplies, and equipment across vast distances. Artificial intelligence can optimize supply chains by analyzing transportation routes, weather conditions, and battlefield requirements. AI systems can predict when supplies will run low and automatically plan the most efficient delivery routes. This ensures that soldiers receive the resources they need at the right time. Efficient logistics can often determine whether a military operation succeeds or fails. 4. Predictive maintenance for military equipment. Military vehicles, aircraft, and ships require constant maintenance to remain operational. Artificial intelligence can analyze sensor data from engines, mechanical parts, and electronic systems to detect potential failures before they occur. This process is known as predictive maintenance. Instead of waiting for equipment to break down, AI systems warn technicians about possible issues in advance. This reduces downtime and ensures that critical military equipment is always ready for action. Predictive maintenance also saves billions of dollars by preventing major mechanical failures. 3. AI-powered soldier training. Artificial intelligence is changing how soldiers train for combat. Military training programs now use advanced simulations and virtual reality environments powered by AI. These digital battlefields recreate realistic combat situations where soldiers can practice complex missions safely. AI systems analyze each soldier's performance and adapt training scenarios to improve specific skills. This personalized training approach allows soldiers to learn faster and become better prepared for real battlefield conditions. The result is a smarter and more capable military force. 2. Faster decision-making in combat. During warfare, even a few seconds can determine the outcome of a battle. Artificial intelligence helps commanders process large amounts of information quickly and make faster decisions. AI systems combine intelligence data, surveillance reports, weather conditions, and battlefield information into a single analysis. This allows military leaders to understand the situation instantly and respond effectively. By reducing human delays in decision-making, AI gives armies a powerful strategic advantage during fast-moving conflicts. Advanced AI-powered satellites, drones, and monitoring systems can scan massive regions of land, sea, and air in real time. These systems are capable of processing thousands of images, signals, and data points within seconds. AI can recognize suspicious movements, identify vehicles, track military equipment, and even detect hidden patterns that human analysts might miss. This allows military leaders to receive real-time updates about enemy activities without delays. Faster intelligence means faster decisions during critical moments in battle. As a result, AI has become the digital eyes and ears of modern defense forces. 9. Autonomous drones and robotic soldiers. One of the most dramatic changes in warfare is the rise of autonomous drones and robotic military systems. These machines can navigate complex environments, identify targets, and complete missions with limited human control. Using machine learning technology, drones can adapt to changing battlefield conditions and avoid obstacles during operations. Some military programs are even developing robotic ground soldiers that can carry equipment, scout dangerous areas, or assist troops during combat. These machines reduce the risk to human soldiers by performing high-risk tasks. In the future, entire missions might be completed by intelligent robotic systems working alongside human commanders. 8. Swarm drone warfare. Another powerful innovation is the development of swarm drone technology. 1. The ethical and global impact of AI warfare. While artificial intelligence offers powerful advantages, it also raises serious ethical questions about the future of warfare. Autonomous weapons, capable of making life-or-death decisions without human control, have sparked global debate among scientists and policymakers. Many experts fear that an international arms race in AI technology could make conflicts more dangerous and unpredictable. There are also concerns about what could happen if AI systems are hacked or malfunction during combat. As AI continues to evolve, governments and international organizations will need to establish rules to control how this technology is used in warfare. Artificial intelligence is not just changing warfare, it is redefining the entire concept of military power in the modern world. From intelligent surveillance and autonomous drones to cyber warfare and predictive strategy, AI is becoming a central force in global defense systems. The battlefield of the future may involve fewer human soldiers and far more intelligent machines working together. Whether this technology ultimately protects humanity or creates new risks will depend on how responsibly it is developed and controlled. If you found this deep exploration of AI warfare fascinating, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful content about the technologies shaping our future.